Alright, I'm gonna show you the exhaust on my car the best way that I can. I don't want to hear, hey, you should have get a V8. If you're gonna say some dumb shit, post your car. At least have something cool before you come at me. Anyways, it's a Mustang. It's a 3.7. I'm happy with it. It's got plenty of performance for me. I already know that I can't be beating all these other certain cars that people are probably going to be an asshole on list. But I think the car sounds nice for what it is. And if you got a 3.7 and you want to sound cool, maybe try this.